morning everyone! Welcome back to another video. Sawadika! It's our day 5 here in Bangkok, and for today we will be going to Pattaya, Thailand. So it's another city or province here. We will be exploring the Sanctuary of Truth and House of Benedict. See you! We're in 7-Eleven. We'll be buying almasal. Favorite namin dito. Merong 7-Eleven malapit sa may May bus terminal. So, merong pang almasal. Ito yung favorite section natin. Aha! Sa akin, guys. So, we're here na sa may May bus terminal. Ganito yung itsura niya. Maraming papuntang Pattaya. Pero, ito yung pinakamura. Itong bungad na to, kung makikita nyo, 131 baht. Ito, 150 siya. And then different time slots din sila. So we got the 8 a.m. Ayan guys, as you can see, meron naman English translation. Nandyan din yung seat number nyo and kung anong platform kayo pupunta. So ito yung platform 15, kaya nandito lang ako nag-aantay. Kakain muna kami. Super antok and dapat 6 a.m. nandito na kami, kaso yun nga hindi ako makabangon kanina sa sobrang antok, and also yun na, pagod ako and masakit na din yung likod ko. Pero it's the time of the month, pero I realize it's our last full day here in Bangkok na din naman. Iisin na lang natin, pero masakit na yung likod ko, tsaka antok na antok ako. Bangkok to Pattaya is 2 hours. Dito lang kami sa may Pattaya North Bus. Ito yung terminal nila dito sa Pattaya. Magbo-bolt lang kami going to Sanctuary of Truth. Yun ang una nating pupuntahan for today. Ito yung time slot nila. So we got the, syempre, English lang. Yun lang maintindihan namin. Dito kami kay Kuya. We got our ticket and then ito yung map. 11:20 ang schedule namin. Ito yung horse field nila. If yung suot nyo is hindi merong rental naman dito. Ito yung dress code nila. Ayan. Tapos ito yung sarong. 200 baht, pero ibabalik din naman sa'yo pag nabalik mo. Ito yung waiting area. While waiting for our tour, dito ka magsistay. So, ito na yung Sanctuary of Truth. Ganda niya. We are going in. Medyo may trekking. Mag-helmet kayo.
The way together, I show you. Then when we get inside, I show you.
It's a guided tour, so mayroon kayong tour guide na.
This way. It's very difficult.
Ito yung wood carving area nila. So, ganito ginagawa yung building.
This by yourself. After 170 pieces of pillar, wood to become shaped like this. Like this. Then wood can lock together by itself. Like this, alright? This is how to do wood joy technique, alright? And one more reason about feng shui, about what we do. The reason is we want like rules of life. Nothing everlasting or nothing sanctuary of truth. And let's move on together. Balcony for king who granting prompting audience in special occasion.
Entrance.
Right?
Going pa rin sila ng pagdagdag. Yung first step is about who we are and where we came from, and that is from 4 elements: earth, wind, and fire.
Have a look closer. Nails. Why nails here? Built museum without nails, right? This is temporary fix, like I told you before. Structure, no nails, alright? Before I show you number 3 at the center, let's come around, see, alright? Represent our parents. Everybody has birth date, right? And everybody has unique personality, different personality. Depend on our birth dates. That's what we believe. Next, on the ceiling universe, we are living in universe, right? Everybody need nature to survive.
So third is about death. Yung teachings is no one can escape death.
Even Buddha cannot escape the death. Inside on the ceiling, there's no decoration. Means life is emptiness. We just born to die. When we were born, we came with nothing. When we die, we cannot take anything with us, right? Only goodness, badness that we can create and leave to the world. Now move to the next, number 4. This is the King Ramanai of Thailand. Bad, but if we associate with good people.
Talas guys, parang pinapakita ko anong society yung
Give this way. The last society. This is society of disrespect. To talking about other people in a bad way, gossiping. But the improper there, society of respect, full of respect. Everybody respect each other. Alright. These two opposite sides of society. Before we move on to the last part, I have a question. Easy question. Which society you like to live in? Good society or bad society? Good, right? Everybody like to live in a good society, right? Of course, and how to do the same way too. A good marriage life. And number 8, give us property to ensure our future life. All about family.
After ng tour nyo, merong parang book na ganito. At nilagay yung thoughts, feedbacks nyo. Sila tayo. Isa kami sa Sanctuary of Jude. So now, kami ng House of Benedict. Super init and mapagod and gutom. We use Bolt ulit papunta ng House of Benedict. We are here na sa House of Benedict. Ano ba? It's a 33-minute drive from Sanctuary of Truth. Entrance pa lang, panalo na. Ganda. Change ako ng outfit ko kasi syempre for the picture dapat iba na ang OOTD. Medyo mahangin na lang today, parang uulan din. We're entering. 200 baht ang entrance. Ticketing area nila. May coupons tayo. Merong coupon, syempre kapag papasok ka sa kanila. Ayan. Guys, ganda! Ooh, ganda ng vibe! Ito yung mga food stalls nila dito. Dito kami kumain sa Baan Thai. I think ito na yung pinakamura kasi 149 isang meal. Yun yung pinakamura dito. We are done eating na, so mag-roam around na lang kami muna dito. Then, take pictures. Wow! Ng location, ito yung pearls. Ay, wow! Barbie section, ang cute niya. Ito yung area. Pinaka-gitna nila. Ang ganda. We are going up now. Ganun siya, oh. Ganda! Aesthetic! Yan lang few guidelines. Bawal ka magdala ng pamalit na damit. No food and drinks outside allowed. Ganda. Every corner of this place aesthetic. Ito yung isang spot sa taas. Ang ganda niya. May mga ganto-ganto siya. Pero medyo madilim siya ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Ito namang area na to, sa second floor din siya. Yung mga bunk beds, ginawa nila ang ganyan, no? Kainan. Tapos may mga surfing board sa gitna as a mesa. Ang ganda, oh. Galing, ang brainy. Ito naman yung area next doon. Ayan, yung mga saxophone. Ginawa nilang centerpiece dito. Parang music room. Ito naman yung gitna sa labas. this itinerary na here kasi anong oras na din. Kailangan namin makabalik kasi mag-i-empake pa rin kami pag-uwi kasi flight na namin tomorrow. But I think this will be our last destination for this trip. Once again, I'm using Bolt para mag-book dito sa Pattaya. Super mura lang. 70 to 100 lang yung price sa mga Bolt dito. Nandiyan na tayo! Legit, hindi kaya ng one day sa Pattaya. You need to spend at least one night here. Kasi meron pang Terminal 21, Wat Raya. Pagpabalik kayo, dito din kayo sa terminal na to babalik. Ayan, 5:30 kami aalis. Our bus is boarding na going to Bangkok. But I guess I'll end this day na here kasi lobat na din ako. Pagod na din ako and mag-film pa ako ng Thailand haul pag-uwi. Watch out for that vlog. See you tomorrow. Kasi flight na din namin tomorrow. Yung last day nyo na sa Bangkok, kaya nag-work ka na ganito. Like this sandwich, 37 baht lang. Kaya, wala ko mga tatlo. In case ma-miss ko, initin ko na lang sa rambutan na dito, June pa lang sa Philippines. Sa September ang tag-rambutan. 50 baht lang yung isang plastic. Kagabi pa namin ito kinakain, hindi namin maubos. So, in conclusion, mura talaga ang prutas dito. We're boarding, guys! Guys, nasa plane na kami. Window seat ako. I requested it. We're in Philippines. Ayan.
Sawadee ka!
Ay, mabuhay na po tayo.
Mabuhay!